As you know, I work very closely with the Berkley team in bait development. The hit stick is quite the story. It took us years to develop this bait. We knew that we wanted to build a bait out of plastic or material that would be castable, that would compete with the action of a balsa bait. So this is a shallow diving stick bait, very effective. They've become a major part of my crankbait arsenal right now. A little bit of a story with the hit stick. It has what they call a flash disc system inside of it that helps us give some of the action that we were able to achieve. The neat thing about this bait is a lot of people are casting them. The shore casters in the fall here now are catching giant walleyes. You can also troll the bait at night. A lot of people will troll it either at night or in shallow water. I had a tremendous day this spring in the opener in Wisconsin by trolling hit sticks, but it's a type of bait when you troll it that you want to draw it forward and then slowly let it back on a semi-tight line, draw it forward and let it back on a semi-tight line. It's a bait that will perform much better trolling if you hand work it. It's kind of a traditional way to fish these styles of baits that are deadly. The way a jerkbait works is quite often you'll really give it some rips and the bait itself will flutter around and turn into like a J series and sit and hang. These baits don't really do it that way. We work so long on the action of the hit stick that the moment it moves forward, it has a fish attraction action and it gets the attention of the fish right away. It's a ton of side flash. And so when you rip it and then stop, it won't turn around in a full J. It'll go to the side and it'll hang there for a moment, but then it slowly rises. I'm telling you that the fish key in on this bait the moment you move it forward, and so in most cases you don't have to wait as long for a strike. If you wait a second or two, it seems like those fish will rip the lure right out of your hands. So the Berkley team outdid themselves with this one, and overall, like I said, I've got some of the magic marker wore off these boxes already because they've been in my boat so much.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.